everybody, and welcome back to Home and Garden Contracting, where today we're in the middle of building a table. And you can see we got the legs all glued up 6x6, and then I mortised and tenoned in these apron pieces there, and I got the angle pieces as well. And this is 2 inches by 1 inch, and then this is a 1/4 inch shoulder cut. So, and I've also got all the tenons cut for the breadboard end. This is a 9 foot by 6 foot table, and I got 3 inches for the whole tenon, 3/4 of an inch there, and then 4 inches wide here. And so I've got all these cut out. I did a time lapse of me cutting those out, so you'll be able to see that in this video. And then over here, I'm just working on doing the mortises. I got the spiral cutting bit for the router, and everywhere you see an X is the pocket that I have to cut 3 inches deep. So I'm just currently working on that, and I might film some of that, but we'll see. Kind of in a rush because this table needs to be finished by the end of the week. But here's an overall view of it. Got the tenons cut on this side, and we're just working on rounding out these edges because it's easier to round these edges out than square up the ones in the mortise. And then we're just gonna sand all this off so it's easy to start and get in. We'll be hammering in, and we'll be doing a draw bore breadboard edge, and I'll explain that more at the end of this video or later on when you see the final product. But yeah, other than that, this is the mid-project update. So this is a big table. This is a really big table actually. So I will catch back up with you guys later. Alrighty, well, here it is a few weeks later. Table's all complete. We had it sent out to get stained and clear coated so that there's a food grade finish on it. But overall, I think it turned out really, really well. Breadboard end turned out well. You can see every single dowel here for every single tongue that we put in. Seam came together nice and tight, and it is definitely a very, very big table. But it's exactly what the space called for. This is a very large dining room, so it worked out well. And there's still lots of walking space here, and still lots of walking space right here. This is like over 5 feet of walking space on each side. So now we're just gonna figure out some chairs. These are the chairs from the old table, so. But yeah, turned out really good. The legs turned out really well. And I can show you. You can see all the nails from when I cut with the table saw. Now you got this nice little dark detail and then the shiny nail that's been cut off. Looks really good. Same as on this side. And of course, there's still these character holes from the nails of the barn floor. But yeah, turned out very, very well. Well, thanks for following along with this project, and take care, take it easy, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.